This is from Zara. See, oh, I love it. Zara long dress. I like long dress. Of course, my sister is so fashionista. My sister Bea, this one. I have a lot of... Ayan, pili-pili na daw ako dito. I have to get a lot of clothes here. For my sister. So, yes, it's alright. And guys, of course, nakapamili ng ito. Marami na. Kasi kumaganda pa mga pang-travel. Ito, ang ganda. I like this. Ay, grabe. Sana all. Love it talaga. My sister Bea. A lot of clothes talaga. Sana all. Grabe. I don't know. Puro Zara. Zara. A lot of clothes. Love it. Love it, guys.